Today, I'll show you how to confirm receipt on PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before entering your login details. Confirming receipt is used when you bought an item or service and PayPal is holding the seller's payment. When you confirm receipt, you are telling PayPal that you received the order and that the seller can get the money. PayPal's current help page says that after you confirm receipt, the payment becomes available to the seller. It also says the Confirm Receipt button is available 48 hours after the payment date, for security reasons. To start, go to Activity. Find the original payment for the item or service. Tap or click the transaction to open the payment details. Now look for the Confirm Receipt button. If you see it, tap Confirm Receipt. PayPal will ask you to confirm that you received the order. Tap Yes to confirm. After that, PayPal should update the transaction, and the seller's held payment may be released. Only confirm receipt after you really receive the product or service. Do not confirm early just because a seller asks you to. If the item has not arrived or the service was not completed, wait until everything is delivered properly. If you do not see the Confirm Receipt button, there are a few possible reasons. The payment may be less than 48 hours old. The transaction may not be eligible. The seller may not have updated the order status. Or PayPal may not show the option in your app version. Try opening PayPal from a desktop browser if you cannot find the button in the mobile app. Also check that you are opening the original payment transaction, not just a message or notification. If the item arrived but the button still does not appear, wait a little longer or contact PayPal support through the official help center. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, go to Activity, select the original payment, tap Confirm Receipt, then tap Yes Only after you truly received the item or service. And that's how you confirm receipt on PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.